here at Unique, especially in classics. 1971 Camaro Z28 Special Performance Package. And yes, it's a true Z28. States right on the cowl tag in 1971. Best of all, this one is numbers matching, powered by the original 350 V8 underneath the hood, 330 horse, 360 foot-pound of torque, and also a numbers matching automatic transmission in it. So it'd have the turbo hydromatic 400, power steering, power brakes. Take a look at the headlight surrounds, chrome on this car. Great looking front end in 1971. Repaint to black with the gold stripe. If you want to check out the still pictures so you can see the undersides, interior engine bay, check out the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. Is going to take you right there. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Riding on the Rally wheels, BF Goodrich radials, and look at how straight this car is. Black vinyl interior with the standard bucket seats. That's the way this would have been produced back in 1971. Horseshoe shifter, center console. A couple aftermarket gauges and a stereo system. We'll get around to the driver's side, check that out a little closer here in just a bit. Start it up, let you hear it run. But first, remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Take a look at the chrome, rear of the car. Great looking tail end with those round tail lights on this one. Gotta love the deck stripes. Once again, still pictures so you can see the underside, the engine bay, trunk. UniqueClassicCars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. Gonna take you right there. Take a look up and down driver's side of this car. Now, it's black. There's a few spots you're gonna have where it's been touched up, maybe an imperfection here and there, but overall, this car is definitely a head turner. Great one for any of your local roll-ins, cruise-ins, local shows. Just do not see them like this every day. And best of all, true Z28, not one somebody took a Camaro, tried to make it look like one, and then remember, numbers matching besides. Door panels. Seating area free of rips, tears, holes. Seat belt still intact. Over 100 pictures of this car online, so check them out. All right, let's check out this interior. Start it up too. As you can see, the tachometer is working. Rest of your gauges. Nice sounding car too. Blower fan does work. Stereo system does work. I think we mentioned that earlier. And kind of an era correct equalizer down here. You gotta love that if you can see that. How neat's that? Oil pressure gauge. That is working. Voltmeter. Take a look at the dash. A nice shape of the interior too. Headliner, also good shape. Sorry about the glare. Alright, slip around to the back of this. Door closes nicely, hinge pin's good. Beautiful sound. So on turn heads, no doubt about it. Looks and sound. Alright, I'm going to slip up to the front. I'm going to pause this video a second and we'll check out that engine bay and then wrap it.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Nice, clean, good-looking engine bay too. Underside of the hood. There it is. Numbers matching. 350. Power steering, power brakes. Remember, that's paired up with a numbers matching transmission too. You can see those stamped number in the still pickers, stamp on the block, stamp on the trans. Heater hose is still hooked up. Looking good. 1971 Chevrolet Camaro Z28 Special Performance Package car, real deal. Check out the cowl tag. Look at those stamped numbers. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with a sales associate when you call in or email.